Imagine kumabanda getuyina bamboo. We cannot even come up with different techniques like other countries have improvised. There's so many ways how we can work with bamboo, which is a very feasible plant. It can grow in different places in Uganda because it's a water-loving plant, tropical plant. Okay, we have so many wetlands. Instead of cutting our trees, selling them to investors, fake investors, okay, selling our Mabila forest, we can adopt bamboo techniques of production which we can use feasibly, and we can create nice modern furniture which is marketable worldwide. Okay, we can also use so many ways, as we have seen before, different ways of processing bamboo plants into pieces of planks, pieces of timber, which can produce exotic furniture which is marketable across. We can use it for every single element instead of cutting our trees and expanding deforestation. This is very feasible because it's a part of agroforestry. That means we plant as we harvest. Okay, so we conserve our forests and we plant bamboo.
Ebigambo omaze okuwulira teekako omubali gwaffe.
Now, if you look at solar technology, okay, we have so many qualified engineers in Uganda. They cannot convince us that the government has spent money in educating them. Just they cannot even adopt or implement their ideas into developing feasible solar technology. Okay, so many countries, as we see, they have adopted solar techniques in making people's livelihood easy. Okay, so if they can't, that means our education system has to be changed to make it workable within a eco-friendly system. Okay, there are so many ways how we can adopt solar techniques even on the streets. Okay, we can have solar powered street lighting, as other countries have adopted it. That means we can also work with it, because if poor countries in Africa have adopted such systems and they can power smaller towns, okay, instead of basing on hydro, they have different plants, solar plants, okay, which they use to generate power for small towns, okay, because it's not easy for a smaller country to power bigger towns, but it can be easily workable with smaller towns, okay. Such fields, so many African countries are developing such techniques. We should not suffer with expensive hydroelectricity, yet we have our sun. We have a double maxima, okay. That means we are astride the equator and we have enough heat which can generate solar energy. We can work with solar energy cheaply, and we can make our livelihood easy and affordable for everyone, okay. You see, our highways, we can modernize them with just a simple technique, solar powered energy, okay. We build street highways which can promote trade across East Africa. Remember, our highways are the ones which lead to South Sudan, Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania. You see, those roads should be maintained because they generate revenue to the government, and also they make our transport easy from rural areas transporting goods to urban areas, okay. So we should focus more on improving techniques which can generate economic growth for our country, and that's the focus FDC with its partners are going to focus on specifically. With your vote, everything can be transformed. Even rural areas are going to benefit. These techniques we are talking about are not from the moon. Countries have adopted it on the African continent. As you can see, rural areas can work easily with these techniques of production, okay. Then we have recycling. There are so many ways how we can utilize waste, okay. What is waste now can be turned into gold, treasure, okay. Youth groups are going to focus, we are going to develop youth groups which are going to recycle from anything, old car, old motorcycle parts, bicycle parts, okay, paper, plastics, okay. We are going to come up with different youth projects which are going to recycle them into products which can help them to generate their income, okay. As you can see, recycled products can make a good furniture, interior furniture, okay. It's just a matter of adopting a workable education system, even for those dropouts, youth, unemployed. We can come up with different ways, different projects, clubs, which can work with recycling, and they can earn a living. You see, recycling is a very viable project in so many countries. Turning bicycle parts into furniture. Imagine, we have so many reams of bicycle parts littering across Uganda, okay, because the major means of transport in the north. That means we can work with it, transform it into exotic furniture which you can sell globally. This is a very viable project, especially for youth development, okay. If countries have done it, we can do it also, okay. It's only your vote which can make us achieve these goals. Without your help, we cannot achieve everything, okay. And if you don't vote for a right party, you are going to stay in the same way of suffering, in the same meager income levels, in the same poor living conditions, with the same corrupt system, and officials who don't care about what you need.